Passenger capacity. The Samba bus stands out not only for its exceptional passenger capacity but also for its compact size. In today's automotive landscape, finding a vehicle that can comfortably seat 9 passengers is a rarity, typically limited to full-size passenger vans. However, the Samba defies expectations by offering such a spacious interior within its relatively small frame. Its wheelbase, compared to modern vans, may seem modest, yet the clever layout and efficient use of space allow room for 3 rows of seating to accommodate 9 adults. Restoration journey. The restoration of this remarkable Samba Microbus is a testament to the dedication and attention to detail put into bringing it back to its former glory. It underwent a comprehensive refurbishment that revitalized both its mechanical components and its aesthetics. The vehicle underwent disassembly, allowing for meticulous metalwork and body repairs. The restoration extended to entire drivetrain and interior as well. Notable features of this restored Samba Microbus include a tan fabric sunroof, chrome hubcaps adorning white-finished steel wheels that harken back to its vintage charm. From basket case to showpiece, this meticulous restoration of this 1959 23-window Type 2 Samba Volkswagen bus with unique features and impeccable craftsmanship is a testament to the enduring legacy of Volkswagen's iconic Type 2 buses. History. The Samba bus has a rich history that dates back to its production in the mid-1950s. Originally introduced in 1951 as a variant of the iconic Volkswagen Type 2, the Samba bus quickly gained popularity for its distinctive design and versatile nature. The Deluxe Samba bus we are featuring has a fascinating history. It was originally delivered new in Hamburg, Germany, adding to its authentic European lineage. As early as the mid-1960s, this particular Samba made its way to the United States, where it found a new home. This transcontinental journey showcases the global appeal and enduring popularity of the Samba bus, transcending borders and becoming a cherished vehicle in different parts of the world. With its roots in Germany and its presence in the United States, this Deluxe Samba embodies the international legacy and widespread admiration for this iconic Volkswagen model. Collectability. The 1959 23-window Type 2 Samba Volkswagen bus is an incredibly collectible vehicle, and this example is no exception. With its limited production numbers, distinct design, and historical significance, it commands high prices in the vintage car market. Recent sale prices reflect the high demand for these iconic buses. In 2017, a 1960 23-window VW bus, equally attractive, achieved an astounding price of $207,200 at an RM Sotheby's auction in New York. That same year, a 1965 example fetched over $300,000 at Barrett-Jackson. These remarkable sale prices underscore the exceptional value and allure that the 23-window Samba holds in the eyes of collectors and enthusiasts alike.